Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0712, representing an ATF, automatic transmission fluid, temperature sensor short, is specific to Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This diagnostic trouble code indicates an issue within the electrical circuit of the ATF temperature sensor, and it does not arise from mechanical failures within the transmission system itself. The role of the ATF temperature sensor is crucial as it monitors the temperature of the automatic transmission fluid, providing essential data that influences transmission performance and efficiency. A malfunction in this sensor can lead to erratic shifting, reduced performance, or potential damage to the transmission system. The sensor is generally located near the transmission case, and it connects to the PCM, powertrain control module, which processes the temperature data to optimize engine and transmission functions. Proper troubleshooting of this code is essential to maintain the vehicle's performance and extend its lifespan. DTC P0712 signifies a short in the ATF temperature sensor circuit, which plays a critical role in transmitting information to the vehicle's control modules. If this sensor malfunctions, the vehicle cannot accurately gauge the temperature of the transmission fluid, potentially affecting the entire transmission's performance. The ATF temperature sensor is typically located in the transmission and has a direct connection to the PCM. It is designed to help prevent overheating by adjusting the transmission's operation based on fluid condition. A correct reading from the sensor is vital for optimal functioning. Hence, any electrical issues, such as a short circuit, can lead to major transmission problems. The sensor should be monitored using HDS, Honda Diagnostics System, to ensure it operates within specified thresholds. The possible causes of DTC P0712 predominantly revolve around electrical circuit problems. This could stem from a short circuit within the wiring harness connecting the ATF temperature sensor to the PCM. A faulty ATF temperature sensor is another leading cause. Since the function of this sensor is to monitor fluid temperature, a defect may misreport or completely fail to report this vital data. Wiring issues, such as damaged or corroded connections, can also manifest as a short circuit. Understanding these potential causes is integral to effective troubleshooting, as it focuses the technician's attention on specific electrical components, rather than wandering into areas not influenced by this error code. The symptoms associated with DTC P0712 can significantly impact the vehicle's performance. Erratic transmission behavior might be observed, such as unexpected shifting or slipping, which indicates that the transmission may not be receiving the correct temperature data. Additionally, the check engine light is likely to illuminate as a direct consequence of this fault. Poor shifting performance is another prominent symptom, characterized by rough or delayed gear changes. Such issues can lead to reduced drivability and potentially long-term damage to the transmission if not addressed. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in timely troubleshooting and repairs, ultimately saving on more extensive repairs down the line. In step 1 of the troubleshooting process, the objective is to verify the presence of the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. Utilize the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, to measure the ATF temperature sensor's output. Specifically, check the parameter value of the ATF temperature sensor. Any reading less than 0.07 volts indicates a possible fault. If the current conditions do match the specified threshold for failure, this indicates that there is indeed a problem with the sensor or its circuit. If the parameters don't match, it suggests that the issue might be intermittent, requiring further investigation into connections and wiring for possible faults. In troubleshooting step 2, you will need to ensure the vehicle is turned off. Then proceed to disconnect the ATF temperature sensor 2P connector. After disconnection, turn the vehicle back to the on mode to assess the sensor's electrical parameters once more using the HDS. Again, observe the value of the ATF temperature sensor. If it remains less than 0.07 volts, you can conclude that the sensor is functioning correctly, and you can move on to the next step. If it reads above this threshold, it indicates that the sensor is faulty, in which case you will need to replace the ATF temperature sensor itself. Properly conducting this step is vital to identifying whether the sensor is the real issue affecting the DTC. In troubleshooting step 3, the goal is to check for any shorted wires in the TATF, transmission ATF line. First, turn the vehicle to the off mode, and then use the HDS to jump the SCS, System Communication Switch line, allowing for advanced diagnostics. Wait more than 1 minute after completing this step. Following that, disconnect the PCM connector B, 51P, to inspect wiring integrity. You will need to measure continuity between two specific test points: the ATF temperature sensor 2P connector and body ground. If continuity is present, this suggests a short to ground exists within the TATF wire, requiring immediate repair. Conversely, the lack of continuity indicates that the wiring is in good condition, prompting further investigation into other potential causes, or possibly replacing the PCM. Final repair verification is crucial to ensuring that the issue tied to DTC P0712 has been accurately resolved. After all necessary repairs have been implemented, whether that was replacing the ATF temperature sensor or repairing short circuits, you should clear the DTC using the HDS. Once cleared, perform a test drive to evaluate the vehicle's performance. During this drive, keep a close watch on the transmission behavior, checking for any erratic shifting or warning lights. If the transmission operates smoothly without reproducing the error code, this serves as a confirmation that the repairs were successful. Ensuring this final step is executed can help avoid returning issues and instills confidence in the vehicle's integrity. Preventive maintenance is essential to avert future occurrences of DTC P0712 and protect the vehicle's transmission system. Regular inspections of the wiring harness connecting the ATF temperature sensor and PCM can identify any wear or corrosion issues early, preventing component failure. Utilizing high-quality replacement components ensures that any parts used are reliable and resistant to electrical failures. Conducting periodic diagnostic checks using the HDS can help catch any anomalies before they evolve into full failures. Moreover, maintaining proper fluid levels and cleanliness in the transmission can enhance its overall health, further minimizing risk of DTCs associated with sensor abnormalities. By integrating these preventive strategies into regular vehicle maintenance routines, the longevity and functionality of the transmission system can be significantly improved. In conclusion, DTC P0712, indicating an ATF temperature sensor short, highlights significant electrical issues that must be addressed to maintain transmission integrity. Proper diagnosis and repair procedures demonstrate how systematic troubleshooting can lead to efficient resolutions, whether it be replacing a faulty sensor or repairing wiring shorts. Awareness of symptoms, such as erratic shifting or check engine light illumination, allows for prompt responses to these codes. Additionally, preventive maintenance plays an invaluable role in safeguarding against recurrence of such issues. Regular inspections, high-quality component use, and consistent diagnostic checks establish a robust strategy for vehicle longevity. Ultimately, understanding and addressing DTCs wisely ensures a reliable driving experience in your Honda Pilot. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.